mama from the country, working on plumbing every day. Never lost a phone down the drain, never complained about anything. Plumbing keep on flowing, shit keep on rolling, 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 rolling on down the drain. Clogged a lot of trains in Norfolk, clogged a lot of push down in Newport. But I never saw the bad side of plumbing till I put the lid on a septic tank drain. Plumbing keep on rolling, the shit keep on flowing, 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 flowing all down the drain. If you ever look in a septic tank, you're gonna see things you never wanna see. You're gonna find tampons and rubbers. It's gonna make you weak in the knees. Plumbing keep on rolling, shit keep on